Hey guys, what's up? My name's Danny, aka Thriftfish. I'm an online fashion reseller, so I sell secondhand fashion on Poshmark and eBay full time. And I'm back with another Jomar Activewear slash athleisure gently used unboxing. After ordering the first pack and unboxing that on my channel, which you haven't seen that, go ahead and watch that. I mean, you can watch it before this one, after it, whatever. But after ordering that one and enjoying what I got, I saw that they had restocked and purchased another one. I think the last one was 40 pieces. This one's 50, I believe. But I was thinking it was gonna come next month, and 2 days after purchasing it, it shipped, so it is here, and so that means I'm gonna unbox it. Like I said, I wasn't really expecting it to be here so fast, but I won't complain about it. All right, so I have this big ol', I'm not gonna show it to you. There's a big box down here. And I'm going to open it. I finally got like real people scissors. I've been working with like these kids safety scissors for no reason for the longest time. And I was like, you know what? I was ordering business. I was ordering office supplies on Amazon. I was just like, buy yourself some real scissors. Ugh, so I did. Sorry, I'm still trying to open this. Okay. One more. Okay, that works. Okay, yes, okay. Activewear, athleisure, women's pre-loved assorted, 50 pieces, $229.50 after my, adding my friend Nicole's discount code, which removed $25.50, but shipping was $20.04. So I ended up paying $249.54 for this 50-piece box. Okay, let's dive in. Let's see what this one holds for me. First up, we have, I have never seen this before, Yoga Land. Looks like a yoga sort of brand, but it's like this lacy top with the crossback, just a little tank top. That one I'll have to look up. We have a pair of Adidas joggers. That's great. I don't pick up a lot of Adidas because I'm not sure what is good resale value wise necessarily. But if I get it in a bulk box, I'm definitely interested in listing Adidas. These are a medium. Not sure if I think they're a women's medium, but I'm not 100% sure. I guess this should be all women's stuff. It says women's on the thing. Here is an Under Armour quarter zip. Nothing wrong with that. I'll list it. I don't typically pick up Under Armour like at all, but that's a nice piece. I'll go ahead and list that. Here's a pair of Nike Dry Fit, size medium. Got the little interior drawstring there, but just a little printed legging. They have the back zip pocket. I'll list those for sure. We have another Nike piece. Top says just do it. That is kind of cool. It has the logo back there and then like a split hem in the back. That's cool. This is Free People Movement. Very cute. I like that. Nice little sports bra crop top thing with the cutout in the back. Very cute. I didn't get any Free People Movement last time, I don't think. This is just a Z by Zella tank. I don't really know. Maybe I'll take it to Plato's. It's inside out. It's cute, but Zella just doesn't sell for much. Maybe I'll keep it. Probably won't fit me, but we'll see. That's the nice thing about these boxes is I'll easily keep some stuff. More Under Armour. Here's a pair of size small, like flared pants. I don't really know if I want to list these. I might, but we'll see what happens when we get to it. Oops, sorry for knocking this back a little bit. Okay. These are all like stuck in here so nicely. What is this? An Athleta. You know I love Athleta. A little older style, size small, but still a nice little a little zipped, like half zip hoodie. Nice. Kind of looked like Outdoor Voices for a second, but it didn't feel like Outdoor Voices. Here's a pair of Adidas leggings with the logos at the bottom. Simple, but they'll get listed. Let me just throw this one over here. All right, what is this? Another Under Armour piece. See, I thought I was gonna get more Under Armour last time. Here's all the Under Armour, but it's a nice little jacket. So again, I'm not mad about it, and I will list it. More Under Armour. This one's kind of like a dingier, it's not so great condition jacket. We'll see what I do with that. This doesn't feel like an athletic piece. Oh, but it's Patagonia, so I will take it. Patagonia women's size small, just a little button down, not like anything crazy, like a hot Patagonia piece or anything, but I will list it. More outdoorsy. Okay, more Under Armour. Just a logo t-shirt. I'll probably list that. It's simple enough. More Under Armour. Got a nice little shipment of Under Armour in, I guess. It's just a tank. So again, not exactly sure what I want to do with this. Again, maybe Play-Dohs. Okay, that's the bottom of it. Another Under Armour piece. It is a sweatshirt. Oh, it's a short sleeve sweatshirt. I'll probably list it. This is the most Under Armour pieces I'll have ever listed in my closet, I believe. But here we go. Got a little pair of Gymshark shorts. I love Gymshark, so I'm happy with that one. Size small, still has the tag, which is great. A lot of people rip them out. And I think this is more Under Armour. Oh no, it's Reebok. Okay. This is a Reebok quarter zip. I'll list it. Again, I'm not expecting to get a ton for it, but the price per item on this box was pretty good, so that's okay. What is it, like $5 a piece? Is that what it comes out to? More Under Armour. I don't know, I guess I'll list it. It's in good condition. I don't want as much Under Armour. I want it to be more mixed. This is Nike, just a plain basic Nike hoodie. Nothing wrong with that. There's like other stuff I can tell. I can tell it's Under Armour. This might be a kid's. That's cute. Yeah, it's a youth large. I'll list it. I feel like Under Armour might do better for kids. Pair of Nike joggers, purple with the logo there. These are a little beat up. Weird clashy colors. Okay, here's some leggings. Ooh, I like these. We got some Adidas Stella McCartney leggings. These are really cute. Look at the back too. Oh, they have a stain. Hopefully I can get that out. Otherwise I'll still list them. I'll just mark that they have a stain, size large. Okay, if I can get the stain out, I'm happy about that. Trying to figure out what everything actually is. More Under Armour, but it's a cute little hooded, open cardigan, like a sweatshirt cardigan. Oh, give me something that's not Under Armour. Okay, more Nike, but this is, what is this, Nike Pro, or whatever the red tag is. Just a little like mock neck, half zip sweatshirt. I like that. I do like Nike, but it's pretty bread and butter for me. Oh, these are just Nike dry fit leggings, but apparently they're recycled material, size medium. Nike crop leggings. We'll list. What is this? Okay, Patagonia long underwear. They're like a little like worn up at the top here, but if the crotch is still okay, I will list them. I do have to do some depilling on here as well. It's not in the best shape, but eh. More Under Armour. I think this might be a youth. It's just a medium. I don't know. Is it? I feel like it's a youth medium, but we'll see. Maybe not. These are just Adidas leggings. I will list them. Do they even have, oh yeah, there's the logo. Hard to see, but Adidas size large. At least they're a large size. Okay, so that's like a big section. There's still like one more section of stuff lined up. Here's a little Adidas skort, which I am very into selling sports skirts right now, so I will definitely list this. It is a size small. Pair of joggers from Under Armour. What are these? Size small. Straight leg. I don't know, man. Just not that into Under Armour. Oh yeah, I just learned about this brand. I think I learned about it from Ashley, my friend Ashley maybe. I'm excited about this now. Year of Ours. This is like a new Bolo brand I didn't know about, but these are just a pair of ribbed activewear leggings. I'm pretty excited about these. Thank you. It's a pair of Adidas, like tapered pants, like kind of a skinny track pant with the blue accent. Okay, please be less Under Armour. This, I'll stop saying it because every time I do that, I touch a piece of Under Armour. This one says Erase All Doubt. It's cute. I don't know how much I would get for it, but I can still list it, I guess. I think this is Nike. A Nike zip up hoodie, full zip. It's a size extra small. Yeah, it's very small. I don't know if I love this. I'm like trying to figure out what I love and what I don't. This feels okay. They feel okay because they're Lululemon. Okay, cool. Just a basic pair of black Lululemon leggings. Again, they need some deep pilling, but I can do that. Let's see if there's any sort of size. I don't see a pocket anywhere, so I don't know where, if there would be a size dot in here anywhere, but I'm okay with that either way. I can measure them. Next up, here's something I like. Athleta, a little pair of longer shorts. Oh, I love these. These like longer bike shorts with the pockets on the sides. I definitely will be listing those. That makes me happy. RBX, nothing fancy. Kind of worn too. Just some gray leggings. I don't think I'll list those. Going pretty fast. Need to take a breather. How's everybody doing today? Yeah, I guess you can't answer. You can put it in the comments. Here's some Fila, size large, like crop pants. I don't really know if I want to list these either. I don't really know how Fila does, especially that kind of plain. I think this is matching to the sweat pants I had earlier. So I have a matching Nike purple sweat set, which is kind of cool. Again, they're a little like wash worn, but the set makes it cooler for sure. Here's some little Nike, hold on. There's like no tag, but something's wrong with these. Somebody cut the lining out. So I'm just not gonna, they're just Nike shorts. I'm just not gonna list those. Uh-oh. These are just Athleta crop leggings. They're not in great condition. Somebody bunched up the elastic on the inside. I can get that out, but like, this is pretty torn up. These are probably not gonna get listed. If they were in good condition, I'd absolutely list them, but they're just not. This is a cute little, oh, it's a tank top, okay. Just a Nike dry fit, cute pattern pink tank top. Again, I guess I'll list it. Okay, we're coming down to the last couple items here. More Nike, another Nike tank. What size is this one again? Medium, so I could lot these up. I put 2 Zella tanks in a lot last time. They're still listed, but hopefully they will sell soon. More 90-degree leggings. I got a pair of these last time and I ended up keeping them for myself, but this is a size small. I might take them to Plato's, or ultimately I can probably list them. They're still good leggings. This is cute. Okay, more Nike, size medium, and these are a really cute pair of joggers. And look at the, oh, look. Nike Air right on the front there. Cool, like, color block. Joggers, we like those. All right, and then this is it. This is last of what's left. So we have Under Armour shorts that are super tiny. A Nike tank with a built-in bra. It's debatable. Okay, they're Nike as well, but these look like not good, so I'll just show these first. Oh, I mean, they're just wash worn. They're Adidas, but they've really thinned out. The color's fading. So I don't know about these. They're super thin, like you can kind of see through them. So I don't know if that's a good thing to list. And just a cute pair of like space dye, peach color, size large Nike leggings. There's the logo. Yeah, I got a little pocket in the back there, a higher rise. Okay, so I would say overall, not more exciting than the last box I got. A couple of winning pieces in here. But overall, again, just a lot of bread and butter athleisure, which is not bad. I like to pick up these boxes because I can sell a wide range of athleisure and activewear from my experience in the past. So the risk is low, the cost is not too high per piece. There's really maybe only like 10 or 15 pieces over there that are in the like no pile, and some of them can go to Plato's. So overall, really not bad. A little bored of all the Under Armour, but some of the pieces are definitely ones that I can list and make some money on. But yeah, that is my second Jomar Activewear gently used box that I have unboxed with you. Again, if you haven't seen the other one, go check it out. But I'm gonna add this to my listing pile and keep on moving. So thank you so much for being here. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to hit the thumbs up, and if you are not subscribed, click the subscribe button. I would super appreciate it. I will be back soon with more videos. Thanks so much, and I'll see you again soon.